Don't miss this great vehicle. It's equipped with great features. You'll want to take this vehicle home. Make a great choice today. Visit the dealership today and see this vehicle firsthand. This vehicle has less than 200 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: turbocharged, daytime running lights, LED headlights, rear-wheel drive, steel wheels, tires front all season, tires rear all season, Bluetooth, auxiliary audio input, cruise control. Experience the perfect harmony of comfort, safety, and performance.